The unboxing experience is straightforward and refreshingly uncluttered, reflecting the OneOdio Focus A1 Pro's practical character, with the headphones presented neatly alongside a USB-C charging cable and user documentation, all secured in a compact retail box that avoids excessive packaging while still offering adequate protection. Lifting the headphones out for the first time immediately highlights their low weight, and the soft touch finish combined with the subtle red accent on the headband creates a modern, youthful look that feels approachable rather than aggressively stylized, reinforcing the impression of a product designed for everyday use rather than studio intimidation. OneOdio Focus. A1 Pro stands out as a well-judged entry-level hybrid ANC headphone that prioritizes comfort, simplicity, and endurance over flashy features, making it particularly appealing for students, younger users, or anyone seeking their first noise-canceling headset. Its lightweight design, reliable noise reduction, balanced sound tuning, and exceptional battery life combine to create a product that feels genuinely practical and easy to recommend. Focus A1 Pro succeeds by offering a calm, dependable, and user-friendly listening experience that fits naturally into everyday life, making it an excellent choice as a first ANC headphone or a comfortable daily companion for study, commuting, and casual entertainment. At just 200 grams, the Focus A1 Pro feels exceptionally light in hand and on the head, yet it does not give the impression of being fragile or disposable. The foldable design allows the ear cups to rotate and collapse inwards smoothly, making the headphones easy to slip into a backpack or school bag without occupying unnecessary space. The adjustable headband offers sufficient flexibility to accommodate different head sizes, while maintaining consistent clamping force that keeps the headphones secure without creating pressure points during extended wear. The protein leather ear cushions are soft, breathable, and well-shaped for on-ear use, forming a gentle seal that contributes both to comfort and passive noise isolation. And after long listening sessions, they remain comfortable without the heat buildup often associated with heavier over-ear designs. In daily operation, the Focus A1 Pro proves easy to live with, as pairing via Bluetooth 6.0 is fast and stable, and multi-point connectivity allows seamless switching between two devices without manual reconnection, which is particularly useful when alternating between a phone and a laptop throughout the day. Controls are logically placed and intuitive, with ANC, playback, and call handling responding consistently, making the headphones suitable even for users who are new to wireless audio accessories. The dedicated low-latency gaming mode, activated through a simple button interaction, noticeably improves audio-visual synchronization during mobile gaming and video playback, reducing delay to a level that feels natural and immersive rather than distracting. Battery performance is one of the Focus A1 Pro's strongest attributes, with up to 70 hours of playback with ANC off and around 40 hours with ANC enabled, allowing it to easily last an entire week of regular use without recharging. The fast charge capability further enhances convenience, delivering several hours of playback from just a short charging session, which proves invaluable for busy mornings or last-minute use.